everyone, Miss Tui here. In today's lesson, you are going to write two ordered pairs. Then you will use line and color sequences to code your bot to travel to that location on an XY coordinate grid. For today's lesson, you will need an Ozobot fully charged and calibrated, a pencil, your color code markers, and your ordered pairs worksheet. Make sure to have both pages. In today's lesson, you will write two sets of ordered pairs. Then you will show the ordered pairs by plotting them on a coordinate grid. You will use lines and markers to program Ozobot to show how to move to those coordinates. Have you seen a chart like this before? It's called a coordinate grid. It was developed hundreds of years ago and can tell us about an object's location. The grid is made up of two perpendicular lines that intersect and form a 90-degree angle. The horizontal line, or the line that runs right to left, is called the x-axis. The vertical line, or the line that runs up and down, is called the y-axis. How does a coordinate grid help us locate an object? We can locate an object by following an ordered pair on a coordinate grid. An ordered pair is made up of two numbers. First, the x-coordinate, and then the y-coordinate. To tell the location of the point, let's look at this ordered pair, 3, 6. The first number, 3, is a coordinate or location on the x-axis. The second number, 6, is a coordinate or location on the y-axis. If I start in the middle of the coordinate grid, also known as the origin, or 0, 0, I can move 3 places on the x-axis and 6 places on the y-axis to find the location of my ordered pair. That is the location of 3, 6. Today, you are going to program Ozobot to show the location of an ordered pair on a coordinate grid. An ordered pair is always written as x, y. If I give you an ordered pair, -5, 2, that would mean starting at the origin, the coordinates are 5 places to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 places up, 1, 2. To begin, you will write an ordered pair in the space provided on the ordered pair worksheet. Can you write your first ordered pair? Use numbers 1 through 6, and remember they can be either negative or positive. Now that you have written your ordered pair, it is time to plot the coordinate or the location of the ordered pair on the coordinate grid. My first ordered pair was -5, 2, so I will start at the origin, move 5 places to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 places up by counting the grid lines, 1, 2. Once I am at the correct location, I will make a point or circle to mark it. Try plotting your coordinate on your paper. Remember, a negative on the x-axis is to the left of the origin, and negative on the y-axis is below the origin. After you have put a point to show the location of your first ordered pair, you are ready to start planning your line and color sequences using a pencil. Remember, Ozobot will always start at the origin. For my example, -5, 2, I will need to come up with a sequence for my bot to move backwards 5 places on the x-axis, then turn and move up 2 places on the y-axis. I will draw 5 empty boxes along the x-axis and 2 empty boxes along the y-axis. Here's what my plan looks like. Notice I used the grid lines to determine where the boxes should be. Can you draw your own colored boxes on your coordinate grid to show your ordered pair? Since the coordinate grid has lines, use these lines to help you count and draw your boxes. Once your planned sequence of lines and colors are complete, you are ready to add color with your color code markers. Choose one color for the empty boxes on the x-axis and a different color for the empty boxes on the y-axis. The colored squares will represent the numbers in each ordered pair. I recommend using red or blue, as the green marker makes the bot light up a similar color to when it's running over black. Here's my colored in example. Note that these colored boxes contain only one color, so we wouldn't consider them color codes. The purpose of the colored boxes is to count how many times Ozobot's LED lights change color. Each box represents 1 point on the grid. Can you add this to your paper? Make sure you have enough black line on both sides of any color. Now let's have Ozobot test our color boxes to show the ordered pair. The bot will begin by following the x-axis and displaying the x value by flashing the LED light. Then the bot will change direction to continue following the y-axis, displaying the y value by flashing the LED in a different color. When Ozobot gets to the final color, this should be the coordinate or location of that ordered pair. Can you test your sequences of color boxes to see if Ozobot moves in the correct direction on the x-axis and then in the correct direction on the y-axis? Remember to count the LED color changes to check if they match the numbers on your ordered pair. Fantastic job working through your first ordered pair in action. I think my work is done for today, and it looks like you're now ready for a challenge. Can you try the second ordered pair on your own? Choose numbers 1 through 6, and remember, they can be positive or negative. Before submitting your work, make sure your completed ordered pair sheets have 2 different ordered pairs written as X and Y, 2 different ordered pairs plotted on the coordinate grid, 2 different line and color sequences that your bot follows to show how to locate the ordered pairs. If you'd like more to do, try creating ordered pairs with numbers up to 10. Then create a line and color sequence for Ozobot to follow that shows how to locate that ordered pair. You can draw that on the back of your sheets.